Hello everyone. If your Android phone camera not opening or showing black screen in this video, let's fix this. First, restart your phone and check. Move on to the next method. Open settings on your phone. So click on this settings option. Click on it. After that, search for apps option. So click on this apps option. Now you have to search for camera. Click on this camera option. After that, scroll down, then click on this storage option. First, you have to click on this option, clear cache, then click on clear data, click on delete. After that, go back and then click on this stop option. Okay, then click on OK. Go back, restart your phone and check. Move on to the next method. Again, open settings on your phone. So open settings. After that, click on apps. Now click on these three dots. Click on it. Now here you have to click on this option, reset app preferences. Click on it. Click on reset. That's it. Now restart your phone and check. Move on to the next method. Update your Android phone. So go to settings. After that, click on this option, software update. So update your Android phone and this will fix the issue. The final method you can try is reset your phone, factory data reset your phone. So go to general management, then click on reset. Now you have to click on this option, factory data reset. One important thing that this will be your final method you can try, because if you factory reset your phone, this will delete your applications, your data. So take the data backup first. Okay, so these are the methods you can try.